A situation may occur when you will need to unpack a list or a tuple, and you can actually use arguments to unpack the list or the tuple. Let's give you guys a couple of examples. So if you want to unpack a normal list, you simply have to go So you do this normal call and it's going to unpack this list. So over here I created a small list from range 3 before 6, and this is how the list will look like. Now if you want to use an argument to call it, so this is how you call with an argument to unpack a list. You just put a little star here and you write the actual list's name, and it will unpack just as it did over here. Now we're going to try to unpack by using the keyword argument. So we create a little function that receives a first and second word, then it returns the first and second word combined together with a comma and an exclamation mark. After that, we have a dictionary that has a bunch of keyword arguments inside of it that we're going to pass in this function right here. So now we pass all these arguments by using these 2 stars inside of the function, and now we're going to run it and see what is going to print. Hello world.